Sometimes when you buy server or VPS, what happens? You try to log in using the SSH, but sometimes that login doesn't work. Simply it will give sometimes error that server is not up, or it might say fatal error or port 22 connection is not active or something similar. Okay, so in that case what might happen is there are some cloud provider who are specifically creating the server and allowing SSH connection on specific port. By default, all of this connection happens on port 22. So if I create server on the DigitalOcean or let's say Linode, then they allow SSH connection on port 22. But what happens when I create on the server on let's say Shinjeru? So Shinjeru is the one cloud provider which is privacy focused. So that's why what they do is they disable all communication on port 22 and they add some custom port for SSH communication. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to simply open your terminal, and your terminal you need to do SSH root and add and paste your IP address. So till this step, everything is normal like we usually do. In addition, what you need to do is you need to mention -p and add a space, and then you need to enter the port number that SSH is running on. So in my case, it is 20203. Okay, 20203, that's my port number, but in your case it might be the different. So how exactly you come to know which port you supposed to use? So very first option is whenever you create the server, you get email from those cloud providers. So in my case, when I created the server on the Shinjeru, they mailed me saying that okay, these are the credentials for the server. In those credentials they have mentioned one SSH port also. So that's this particular SSH port, which is 20203. That's my SSH port basically. Okay, once I hit enter, can you see it is asking for yes, save the fingerprint, and then once I say yes and enter, and it will ask simply the password. Okay, so can you see it is asking password right now? Okay, so this is how you can do SSH login in case your SSH port is different. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubt, please let me know. You can add in the comment or you can post on the website also. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.